Its beauty is unwavering, inspiring, imbued with spirituality. This is where everything grows and gains new life. Nature is eternal, but volatile. Looking up to the stars, we seek the truth. We dive into the Mediterranean to discover the source of longevity that lies hidden here all along. We have to change, return to the purity of the Mediterranean soil and the assemblage of life-granted vitality by the clay. Only by returning to nature can we restore the balance, rediscover its beauty in ourselves, cleanse ourselves of stress. Let a healthy life lead us to well-being and happiness. A dynasty is emerging, recovering the elegant, youthful art of thriving with nature. Let's marvel at creation again. This is our heritage, our journey. Dynastia.